Today, I'll walk you through how to generate Google Docs from Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a Google document from your spreadsheet data so you can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. You can do this by going to www.google.com and selecting Sheets from the Google Apps menu. If you're already familiar with Google Sheets, this should feel like second nature. Once you're in Google Sheets, locate your to-do list or the specific spreadsheet you want to work with. Click on the file to open it. If you don't see your document right away, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Just take a moment to find it. Now we need to install an add-on that will help us with this process. Click on the Extensions menu at the top of the screen, then select Add-ons. In the search bar, type Save as Doc and download this add-on. This tool will allow us to convert our spreadsheet data into a Google document seamlessly. After installing the add-on, it's time to configure the necessary settings based on your needs. Click on Save as Doc from the Add-ons menu. Here you can customize how you want your document to look. This is similar to setting up a recipe before you start cooking. It's essential to have everything in place before you begin. Next, select all the data you want to include in your document. You can do this by clicking on the top left corner of your spreadsheet to highlight everything. This step is crucial because it determines what information will be transferred to your Google Doc. Once you've selected your data, it's time to save it as a document. Click on Save as Doc from the Add-ons menu again. This action will create a new Google document containing all the information you selected. Think of this as hitting the print button, but instead you're generating a digital document. Finally, check your Google Drive for the newly created document. It should appear there, ready for you to edit or share as needed. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the steps or consult the add-ons help section. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.